MINGDA Company is a professional 3D printer and 3D scanner manufacturer. This is our biggest carton 3D printer, and printing size is 600 by 600 by 600. Today we are pack the printers. Packing, the first step is use plastic protection 3D printer. The second step is use wooden packing 3D printer. Wooden case is very strong and stable and protects the printer well. The third step is use the foam, put inside the packing and protect the machine. Wooden foam printer. MINGDA will offer you good quality, high precision, and good performance printers, and as well as we offer you good packing. We use international wooden case and protect the machine well.